During the meeting, Muslim leaders expressed their grievances, claiming that various government poverty reduction initiatives were discriminatory towards them. They specifically highlighted the issue of loans with interest offered by programs like PDM, which contradicted Islamic teachings by violating the prohibition of riba.
Musteka mu sawo yamwe sako yamwe ey'omuluka kati kyemuyita amagoba kubanga twabagamba tebasuuka 10%. If you don't do that, bw'obona sente miliyoni 10 omwaka guno n'ogenda n'ogula ekikopo kino, bw'oddayo omwaka ogujja ne miliyoni 10 bagenda kugaa nti nedda ekikopo kyalinnya
kyeyongeddeko
kati leeta 10 n'ekitundu. So inflation eyo munagikola mutya?
President Museveni initially explained the benefits of the parish development model and emphasized that the government aimed to combat inflation by setting the interest rate at not more than 10% for PDM funds.
Bano bakasiita bano bantu bamwe bakasiita ogwabwe gubadde gwa kusaka basaka Dubai, basaka China, kati entalo zinalina nabo nembagamba mulekerawo okusaka mugule bya wano byemba mwetolooza wano
sente zidde mu Rwanda
ate n'okufulumya ebweru. Change direction from importing to internal distribution and export. So those groups can be organized, and they really do that.
He clarified that the money provided through PDM was a government grant, not a loan, and belonged to the Muslim community. He shared his disapproval of riba, describing it as a means for the rich to exploit the poor.
Abana b'embuzi ab'endiga bwe batandika okutwala endiga n'embuzi kuzitwala eyo mu Bwarabu bagenda kwongerako n'ebibala, fruits,
avocado.
So those groups can be complementary, help one another.
Muhammad Yunus Kamoga further elaborated on Islamic principles of profit and loss sharing, which they followed in their financial practices. Trusted this with programs like PDM, where individuals were required to repay loans with interest, regardless of whether they made profits or losses. Sheikh Kamoga explained that under the Islamic model, business owners share 60% of losses, the SACCOs retain 40%. Ed Kamolegeya appreciated President Museveni for supporting the enactment of the Income Tax Amendment Bill of 2023, which cleared legal obstacles for the commencement of Islamic banking products. He also mentioned the drafting of a concept for integrating the PDM with Sharia laws, which President Museveni promised to study. Muslim leaders thanked President Museveni for facilitating the election of Muslim leaders across the country and the establishment of a constitutional review commission to refine the Muslim constitution. They emphasized the importance of mobilizing Muslim families to engage in income-generating activities. President Museveni pledged to support the Muslim community, including backing their goat-rearing projects to increase meat production, establish regional Muslim theological schools, and set up income-generating ventures on land owned by Muslims.